Good morning, best friends. Do you want to spend the day with me? I know you want to spend the day with me. So let's spend the day together. Let's make some breakfast.
The Nash Experience. The Nash Experience.
After breakfast, I went to lie down because I wasn't feeling my best. So I have been meaning to clean out my fridge. I need to do it. Can't go into the new year dirty. That's my mantra. So let's do that. So this is the fridge. Nothing too drastic, nothing too bad. I usually clean it out like once every 4 months. So ain't too bad. But we have a few things in there we need to get rid of. So let's clean it up. Let's get it together. It has to get together. So let's take out everything and see what we're working with. I just find this in my fridge so I can drink it. Oh, that was nasty. I know he had one that was good. So I got a phone call as usual. Because everybody don't want to call me when I film me. I don't put back the stuff. Gonna give you a close up just now. going to go through these condiments to see if any expired. So let's do that. So this is the finished product, all cleaned. Oh, I have to put my fruits here. So I just have drinks up here, milk, heavy cream, kind of like breakfast. Interrupted again. Comment below what kind of dog you think I should get. I absolutely don't want no shedding. I didn't want no shedding. Precious, come girl, come, let's go. I don't want no shedding. Absolutely. So the options are Shih Tzu on the top of the list, Yorkie, number 2, Maltipoo, or a Maltese. All have to be female, only female dogs. Now I have to go down the hill to get this dog. Precious!
Magic.
best friends is actually the next day, and I got, excuse the disrespectful chicken, and I got some packages, and I just thought I'll throw it in and make it Vlogmas 17, 18, 19. The screen gonna tell you. I'm actually running out the house. I only have 15 minutes to film this. I am on my way to walk, so excuse all of the noise. So I got my pillows for my Christmas decor. I got these from At Home. At Home, as you can see. And I think I got 3 of them for $17.99 each. Of course there was a discount. I'm not paying $17.99 for this. And I think this is an 8x8. 18 by 18. So I got that. The rest things are from Old Navy. First thing I see is a pair of slippers. Just regular black slippers I got from my mom. I guess I'll just add this in to her Christmas gift. If you catch my clean out my closet with me, you would know that I have been stocking Old Navy for this pants. Sorry, it's washing out, but if you didn't catch it, click the cards above. But I got another one. Super excited. More white stuff. I got a lot of white stuff. I just got a regular tee, ties in the front, some details here. I got that. I also got another plain tee that I could just throw on with a jean pants. Nothing super spectacular. I also got some masks. I thought I was ordering regular masks for adults, but it turns out these are kids face masks. So now I have 2 packs of kids face masks and no kids. I guess I'll just add them in to my godchildren's gifts. I don't know, my niece, I don't know. I also got this Merry shirt. Actually got 2, I don't know why, in my size. I got one for my daughter, so maybe we'll match one day. So that is this Merry everything. So maybe I'll wear one for working out. I don't know why I get 2, but that's just this long sleeve ribbed, and I got that in a 2X as well. It fits. And the most exciting thing in my box, I got matching workout clothes. This is my actually my Black Friday purchase. So I got this Army Fatigue sports bra, crisscross in the back. I was sure to put modeling pictures here. I got that. Got the boy shorts to match in the 2X, so I can be super duper cute working out. Hopefully I'll be able to step back. Got this in the 2X, and it comes with a zipper here, so I can just place some dollars and a key, and I don't have a key to place there. Next set I got is this cheetah print. The material is very, very thick. With the top, this one is lined. Inside there's a sports bra with padding inside, so it holds well. Double lined, as you can see. So I got this, and this is a long leggings on the side. I don't think this has pockets, but I could have gone down a size smaller in this. I got this in a 2X. Last but not least, also got this asteroid galaxy print. This also has padding on the inside, and it's a sports bra racer back with the leggings long all the way down, and this one has a pocket for the phone on the side, also in a 2X. And the last thing in the box is just a pair of dragons, just a pair of slippers to wear around the house. So that is all that I got. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, please, guys. I'm getting a little bit discouraged. Share this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Remember, you are enough. You are beautiful. Stay safe. Wear your mask. And I'll see you maybe on the next Vlogmas day. I plan to do something very fun this weekend. Hopefully it works out, and I'll take you guys along with me. But if not, until we meet again.